There are people who want their car to be like SUVs, or you can say SUVs like cars. And BMW has absolutely aced this market. After the success of X6, they have brought out something sporty, but something which is far more compact. This is the BMW X4, and here at CarSaleIndia.in, we give you an entire review of this SUV. You see the dashboard, don't you? And isn't it absolutely wonderful? The whole dashboard is covered in semi-aniline or real leather. And see, there are contrasting stitching all over. It's such a luxurious way to sit and zoom across the road. The opulent options for passenger comfort, like the available rear seat entertainment. We start here with what takes the eye in the very first instant. In this BMW X4, it comes with a coupe-like roofline, which is sporting in a smart alternative to the conventional luxury crossover which you see running on the roads every day. Oh, and just so you know, the interior space is one of the most interactive and innovative designs in this segment. Take a sneak peek inside, will you? And you'll see leather and slim roof pillars, which mean brilliant outward vision and all-day comfort for you. The controls are very easy to reach, and intelligent voice controls will always keep you connected. So even when you're on the road, you can speak with family and friends without any hassle, so to speak. The seats are crafted from high-class material, and the X4 comes with a ton of adjustment. There is ventilation, and then there is heat, and then there is a massaging bottom cushions. So how does it feel to drive it? Let's take a look at the steering. The steering here is heavy, and once you pound the accelerator, you feel the torque is moving rearwards, especially when you're locked in the sport mode. So if we have the BMW, we all love to zoom across, don't we? These 6-cylinder units propel you along a vast wave of torque, and the high rev power, the 40i zips ahead to 62 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds. Oh yes, 62 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds. That is the type of power we are talking about here. The other standard specifications are also pretty strong on the X4, and this includes the automatic gearbox. You can see the 4WD, the LED headlamps, you can see the connected navigation, CarPlay, and the decent sized wheels. All across, the warranty is 3 years over an unlimited mileage. You're worried about the price, aren't you? Well, this beauty is currently priced at 62,40,000 ex-showroom in Delhi. Isn't it a buy? For all these specifications, for the grandeur, for the seats, for the engine, for the power, for the torque, it comes at rupees 62,40,000, currently ex-showroom price in Delhi. If you are happy with the aesthetics, boy, you will be blown away with the engine. The engines here are very similar to the X3 and other BMWs, but the chassis is quite differently tuned, as you can see. It is sophisticated, it is lightweight, and it has multi-link axles. There are 4-wheel drive and variable torque split. And then the X4 gets as standard a stiffer setup than the X3. Underneath the test car is a second grade of suspension which will be called M Sport suspension, and it has adaptive designers as well. Let us now see what the cargo and luggage utility has to offer. The X4 here has 18.5 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats and 50.5 cubic feet of space with the rear seats folded down. An apt amount of space, I would say. The boot space is quite satisfactory, to be very honest.